Hi, Swan. This place is beautiful. This is Finnebrogue Woods down near Downpatrick in Northern Ireland. Down here visiting Rob, who runs a bushcraft school here. Hopefully once lockdown eases he's going to get opened again in a few weeks. But what I thought I would do today is I thought I would issue him with a very interesting challenge. I'm going to get him to make something that's not what maybe he'd be typically used to making. It's not a chair, it's not a mug, it's not a cup, it's not a table, it's not a shelter, it's just something for no other purpose than it's a little bit silly and we might have some fun. So I'm going to go back up, get round the campfire, and then I'm going to issue the challenge. There he is. Okay. Rob, are you ready for your challenge?
Well, yeah, I am ready for I don't even know what the challenge is yet, but I'm ready as I'll ever be.
Okay, that's working. This is my socially distancing microphone holder. Ooh, that was a bit more given that than I was expecting. Does this work?
Yeah, I think, is that registering all right, is it?
Yeah. Okay, right, so Rob doesn't know what's coming next, but I thought it might be quite fun is if we do a building challenge. I'll have to make something, and Rob has to make something. What I want you to make is a catapult, or trebuchet, that is capable of catapulting
one of those.
this oil. And then what I'm going to make is I want to try and make an automatically resetting target. Little wooden stick that you hit it flips down and then it comes back up again. Yeah. So you're going to be using, those are your tools?
I probably won't be using that, it's a very heavy. We've got the bison hunting hatchet, and well, I'll probably use this nice quality Trojan pruning saw. And then you've got the folding saw.
I'm taking your small saw.
Folding saw. You have that. There you go.
Okay, right. I think the way we'll do this is, I'm not sure how long it's going to take time-wise. We'll just leave that open a bit.
Wing it, as per usual. Yeah, we'll see what we can come up with.
And then at the end, we'll test them. Okay.
Should be interesting.
Cut to montage.
Yeah. Here we are, deep in the jungle, observing the wild Rob as he crafts away, building some kind of platform. Who knows what it's for?
You look like the lollipop man.
Get some good footage.
You're just finished already?
Well, it's not. It could go completely pear-shaped, but
Probably should have spent less time sitting around. Oh, this is great. There he is. So the way this works, you've got two sticks into the ground with.
Don't move it too.
Don't touch it too much. With the cord in between, that's under tension, so that's like a spring, and then there's just like this trigger mechanism here.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yes.
Okay, that worked, and it's gonna look even better in slow motion. Reset it. This is very serious business. These are skills which could save your life in the event that you were being attacked and all you had to defend yourself was a collection of stuffed toys. And it'll flick and return.
I'll get mine just.
Get the slingshots.
Good fun. I think I had a few more giggles watching the owl fly from the sky.
As my gift to you, you can keep this. The two plants down here growing right beside each other, and you do not want to mix these up. Yeah.
This is water mint, part of the mint family. There's a few others in that genre.
Do you make mint tea with that?
Yeah, mint tea. There's a few other fit uses that you've got in that, but I won't go into that. So there's some mint here, and then this here, and this plant coming up here. Hemlock water drop water, and it will kill you probably in about 20 minutes to half an hour. It's the most dangerous plant in our country.
You don't appreciate that. There's literally plants you walk past, and if I just grab the stem of that and net it, I'd be toast. When
we're foraging or when we're running the courses, one of the big things is like the delicateness of how you're harvesting the stuff. So like obviously there's this mint right here, right? And if I was to go in that heavy-handed, I'd easily just grab a bit of hemlock with that. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. But I can just come in here carefully and grab that, and I've got my mint here, and you know, quite happily smell that.
This one?
Yeah. Well, you'll know by the smell anyway.
Yeah. It's like really
minty.
Pull the mint.